Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we're going to continue Chapter 15, Numerical and Algebraic Expression, Part 3. At the end of this video, students will be able to translate verbal expressions into mathematical ones, evaluate an algebraic expression. My dear students, please prepare the following materials: pen, math notebook, math booklet edition 2019, math textbook. In the first part of this video, we're going to differentiate between verbal and mathematical expressions. Let's start with verbal expressions. What do you mean by a verbal expression? A verbal expression is a mathematical statement that is expressed in words. For example, Heba has 2 pens more than Ali. In this verbal expression, we used words and not variables. Variables? What do you mean by variables? A variable is a letter or symbol that represents an unknown value. For example, in the expression 12 plus b, the letter b is a variable. Now, what's about mathematical expression? A mathematical expression consists of variables, numbers, and operations. Operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. For example, a plus 2, a times b, 3m minus 6. Here are some keywords that are used in verbal and mathematical expressions. In addition cases, we use sum, plus, total, and, together, more than, increased by. In subtraction cases, we use minus, reduce, difference, left, less, fewer, decreased by, subtract from. In multiplication cases, we use product, times, twice, doubled, tripled, of, multiplied by. In division cases, we use quotient, over, half of, third of, shared equally, divided by. My lovely students, now it's time to apply how to translate into mathematical expression. We have 2 examples. The first example, the double of b. Double means 2 times, so the answer is 2 times b. The second example, the sum of n and m. Sum is the answer of addition operation, so the answer is n plus m. It's application time. You have to translate into mathematical expression the following verbal ones. Number 1, the triple of m. Number 2, the difference between n and b. Now pause the video, bring your notebook, and try to solve them. And now you have to place your green pen and try to correct your answers referring to the following solutions. The triple of m. Triple means 3 times. So the answer is 3 times m. The difference between n and b, difference means the answer of subtraction operation, so the answer is n minus b. Dear students, as an assignment, please bring your practice book, open it page 58, and try to do exercise 1, the parts from 1 to 4, and part 6, 7, and 9, and exercise 2, parts from A to E and part G. In this part of the video, we're going to learn how to evaluate an algebraic or mathematical expression. An expression can be evaluated by replacing the variable by a numerical value. So without knowing the value of the variable, we can't find the value of the algebraic expression. For example, evaluate 3n minus 1 if n equal 4. 3n minus 1 is the algebraic expression, n is the variable, its value is 4. To find the value of this algebraic expression, we have two steps. The first step is by replacing the letter by the number 4. 3n minus 1, instead of n we write 4, so 3 times 4 minus 1. Second step, 3 times 4 equal 12 minus 1 equal 11. 11 is the value of the algebraic expression. Dear students, it's application time. You have to evaluate the following algebraic expressions. Number 1, 3d plus 2 if d equal 5. Number 2, m minus 12 if m equal 20. Number 3, 16 divided by 2y if y equal 4. Number 4, 3 into d minus 6 if d equals 7. Now, pause the video, bring your notebook and start solving. My adorable students, bring your green pen now to start correcting your answers referring to the following solutions. Number 1, 3d plus 2. Substitute d by 5. You will get 3 times 5 plus 2. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 2 equals 17. Number 2, m minus 12. Substitute m by 20. So you will get 20 minus 12 equal 8. Number 3, 16 divided by 2y. My dear students, 2y means 2 times y. So we have now 16 divided by 2 times y. Substitute y by 4 to get 16 divided by 2 times 4. Because we have division and multiplication in the same expression, we must do them from left to right. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 times 4 is 32. Number 4, 3 into d minus 6. That means 3 times, between parentheses, d minus 6. Substitute d by 7 to get 3 times, between parentheses, 7 minus 6. We should do the operation between parentheses first. So 7 minus 6 is 1. 3 times 1 equals 3. My lovely students, please bring your textbook, open it to page 209 and review part 4 and try to do exercise 9, part A, B and D and exercise 10, part B and E, page 215. Dear students, let's sum up what we have taken in this chapter. Properties of addition and multiplication, which are order property, grouping property, product of a sum or a difference using distributive property, order and operations, starting with parentheses, division and multiplication from left to right, addition and subtraction from left to right. Verbal and mathematical expressions, we took how to translate into mathematical expression and how to evaluate an algebraic expression. Thank you for watching, and I hope that the video was fruitful.